Everybody was talking about it. No, I did not. Seemed like it was an early morning spike. Yeah, I did. I'm pretty sure I banked on it too.
Yo, I was muted, guys. Sorry about that. I've been talking. I got to give my disclaimer again. It's not financial advice, educational purposes only. Shorting small caps is risky. Anything worth looking at right now?
Devs is doing a VWAP retest.
I don't know AFF. Let's pull it up. DS. Okay. I went ahead and got in it.
In devs?
Yeah. It's not making a very strong move. I see the volume candles high on it. I'm not that concerned with it because it can't hold over. It's definitely not a strong move or a strong.
How much were your locates?
Huh?
How much were your locates?
$4 for 1,000.
It won't let me buy. It won't let me buy locates.
Alex was talking about something in the chat in Discord. I was like half awake trying to read through the chats this morning, but it won't let me cover my position. That's weird.
Oh man.
I hate when
yeah, I tried to buy 1,000 shares, and it says price inquiry or operations failed. Security isn't tradable. Well, after I already tried to buy them, it gave me a price and everything.
Well, the part that concerns me is it dropped. So I tried to trim half my position at 393, just a little quick, because I didn't really want to be in 1,000 shares. So I was going to get it down to 500, and it got all the way down to 390, and it didn't feel.
Yeah, that's weird.
Just sitting there, huh? Well, that scares me because I don't want to be like stuck in this thing. I'm just going to.
You should look at MBBY. Or MBY, sorry.
MBY.
I'm only in 500 shares, but
MBY.
Yeah, but I got in the 140s. I got in at like 143, 144 on this last pop. Because we're really not like, here's the deal. We're really not staying, like, we're staying heavy on view up. So I want to see it like, I think we're just at max. I think we're at max up here. I should probably look at the daily though.
I'm so confused. So yeah, I saw Martin. You say it's delisted, but I'm obviously trading it, so something's happening. And Alexandru said he can't pull it up on TradingView. I have it on TradingView right here.
There was multiple people that said that in the chat this morning.
What?
I think Fran and somebody else was talking about it.
What, can't pull it up on TradingView?
Yeah. What was it?
Well, I'm try to buy one. I mean, I'm in it though, so that's where I'm confused. Like I get that's being said, but
no, Alex said he had it on TradingView, but he couldn't enter. I think you said that this morning.
No, totally. But again, I'm still a little confused because
you're in it.
I mean, yeah. So
no, I totally get what you're saying.
So what is going on with it for sure?
I'm
not debating anyone. I'm just more confused. Like this is odd because
it's so weird. Yeah. Well, and then for Ocean to say that the security is not tradable is so weird.
TNFA is getting a little pop according to. Dang, this thing already has blurry. Oh, blurry. So no, this one. This one's already 9 cent. Blurry. I can trade 9 cent tickers, 50 cent or higher.
You know who can trade 9 cent tickers? Is this thing 1 cent? Oh, yeah, and it's so far off the highs and stuff. Like,
yeah, like what you looking at, Blurry?
Come on, brother. Yeah, that's not it. If you would have said something in like the 10 or 11 area where it spiked, that would have been great. Nuke is moving. I heard everybody got money on that yesterday. Uh-oh. Are we going to have a second day runner? I probably need to pull up fucking... I need to pull up all my stuff. Did you play Nuke yesterday, Justin?
No.
Everybody is talking about it on Twitter.
Yeah, no. I didn't play much yesterday.
Trying to preserve that capital for the end of the month, bro.
You got it. Because I would have been beside myself if I
would have gave it up.
Yeah. So, but I'm actually glad because I did have some self-control. So sometimes with trading, I feel like I do, but something I'm always trying to control is not being reckless and things like that.
Yeah.
But I ended up making about another $1,000. So
yeah, I saw that.
Ended the day about 3K, but I should have went heavier yesterday. There was so much opportunity. Oh, I totally forgot my camera was on. Jesus Christ. I hadn't did anything crazy. Put the drugs down. It's a joke. Yeah, the only thing I'm in right now is DEVS, and I'm just going to see if so the NBY, the one you were talking about, is testing 150. This might not be a bad entry though.
Oh, NBY?
Yeah, NBY. Nope, not gonna play it. Or at least right now. I don't like that it's still breaking new highs. I'm just gonna ride out my DEVS VWAT for now. Got an entry at 406, so I got a pretty good entry.
On what? What are you talking about?
DEVS.
Oh,
the
yeah.
confusing ticker.
Yeah, it's so weird. What's it called? Said Ocean said that I can't short it. It's not shortable. Whatever though. Wasn't meant to be.
Why did DEVs even move this morning?
Ooh.
Oh, it's up with the split. I need to pull up. Wonder what its new share count is then. 1.7. BY looking strong. Oh man.
Yeah, MBY is depending on what we do in the next 1 minute candle. I'm probably gonna get out because I'm not liking this PA. It went back up below the. I don't know what it wants to do. It wants to just be a test, but then bro, I fucking love TradingView, bro. Really do.
You love what?
TradingView. We're in like no man's land though. On NBY. So I'm gonna see how we do here. I'll probably just cut for a small loss because I don't have any desire to see this go to $2. Looks like it's what it might do. I think we should probably touch view up again and then we'll we need to bounce.
BG, good morning. You guys are super early. What do you mean, BG? BG?
This ain't early.
This is what time I always start.
Right.
DEVS news from chat on AskEdgar. Looks like they're staying on NASDAQ. Yeah, no, I think that's what it is. Because the split was a minute ago. It wasn't today or yesterday. You know, this one's going to be a slow, boring one, but I'm kind of okay with that. I got an entry at 406, and I think it's just going to slowly fade. If it's pumping on just that, I don't think it'll sustain. MBY, yeah, I'm not trying to fight what it's trying to do right now, so I'm going to just sit out.
It's like nothing going on, really. It's all good, though. I'll be right back.
You good?
What's up? What's up? Y'all should split a Bloomberg term. What do you mean? Can you hear me, Justin?
Yeah, no, I don't. My stock titans will suffice. The problem is I'm just too lazy to look. It's not that I can't find the info.
Right. When I type in devs into TradingView and click on the stock, it brings up Apple. What the hell?
Y'all got that knockoff TradingView. Y'all need to get the one that's in my link, in my description.
Mine doesn't even have that.
Mine, they got the dollar store devs or TradingView.
TradingView.
Up about 250 on DEVS now. I'm just gonna let this thing just ride. I think it's gonna keep falling. If it doesn't pop here where it kind of consolidated for a second, I think it's just gonna go right back to where it started.
Yeah, it's a slow morning, bro. Why couldn't I have picked yesterday to have off so I could play?
Still a lot of market left, but you're right. Yesterday around this time, it was popping.
It was popping, bro. I was making bank yesterday. I made fucking basically 2 racks by, I would say, a little after this. I'd say probably 7:30, 7:45. I had already made majority of my money back. If you have TradingView Premium, you should be able to pull it up. I can and ball.
I got that knockoff TradingView.
That Dollar General stuff.
Link in description if you want a legit one. I just recently added my TradingView because I was like trying to put everything I use in my description. The only thing I'm missing is Stock Titans.
Yeah, Stock Titans is a good one too, though. You do have a lot of stuff you use.
Yep. Yeah, it's boring. I'm over here like doing some of my tax stuff in the background, getting my books caught up. Might have a busy day at work, so trying to.
At the W-2.
Yeah. I'm talking about just some of my my Airbnb books.
Okay.
I'm so far behind on it. But yeah, hopefully it'll pick back up here. But I'm content. Like I was saying, I think DEVS is going to just keep fading. So I want to see some pops here in 5 minutes at 7:30 maybe. Oh, MBY is giving back a little bit. Good.
Yeah.
Are you still in it?
Yeah. I had a really bad average though, so I'm still red, but way better than earlier. Yeah. Because I should have cut when it spiked originally, but I just added. So my average is 146.
By the way, dude, I think I told you and Colin wrong. Y'all both asked me yesterday if I was over or where I was at. I said I think I'm over 40K for the month. I got so many discrepancies. So Kimfo says one thing, even though I'm not public on there, I still have it. TradeZella says another thing, and then TradeZero says another thing. But I think the TradeZella one's right. So I'm not at 40K yet. I think I'm at 37.4 on the month. Because I ended up, because TradeZero, if you hold things overnight, it like jacks up your like next day.
BNL.
Yeah, well, I shouldn't say jacks it up. It's just how it bases the price on what it closed at. So we play after hours, and the tickers we play move a lot after hours. So sometimes you'll get misled. So I actually ended up closing. I guess it's probably a good time to talk about it actually, since nothing's moving. So I actually ended up closing yesterday or Monday red. I posted in my Flex Your Gains that I was up 800 or something, but actually I was red on Monday, and then yesterday I said I made 3K, but I actually only made 2K according to TradeZero or TradeZella. So I'll dig in to see where the discrepancies are, but pretty good month so far. That's kind of why I'm playing light, guys, because like I was saying yesterday, and if you're in the Discord, I'm just being honest, like last couple months have not been like my best month. I mean, I'll have like one day where I give too much back. So I've been playing a little bit lighter going into the end of the month. But if I see some good setups today, I'll play them, because I was disappointed I missed so many yesterday. But yeah, a little bit of discrepancies. When I hold overnight, it like kind of TradeZero, the numbers that I get for the day are not always accurate. And that's on mobile. If I wanted to manually take the time to look at all the trades on the mobile or the desktop app, it would be a little bit more accurate. But yeah, no, it's a pretty good month. But I don't think I'm gonna hit that 50K, and I'm okay with it at this point. I just want to have a good month.
I mean, 40-something K is a pretty great month, bro. No, not a lot of people are doing that.
We have a few days left, so between today, Thursday, and Friday, I could still get to 50. I might go hard this last Friday of the month, to be honest, if there's the right setups. Because last Friday, whenever I went live on the Discord, in the Discord group, they all faded like beautifully, but
Yeah.
I just wasn't sized appropriately. I was just playing smaller. But it's making me I don't know. It's making me second guess some trades which is probably not bad. I should dial in my entry criteria because sometimes I do enter some that I shouldn't be in.
Yeah, it's kind of what my premature entries are what kills me, bro.
Kind of forcing me to be more strategic with my entries.
Yeah.
So we should get some news here in a minute. Let's see if we get some movers. Already starting to come in 1 minute early.
Manny Saeed, good morning.
Yeah, I appreciate that exchange. Yeah, Coles, that's definitely one of those GME stocks.
Coles is definitely a meme stock.
Oh, Alex, that sucks. Got rejected at 529. Dang. Yeah, you would have had a good entry. Waiting for BTAI is halted and showing 7. Oh, geez. Pre-market halts make me nervous. I'll play them.
Me too.
Yeah, I know you got called away. I'll trade them during market hours halts. Have a little strategy for it, but pre-market makes me nervous because there's no stops.
No, you got to set a limit order and just pray that it gets hit.
I know. Are you, Bart? Are you stuck in? Are you in Saber, Bart? Are y'all in BTAI now, or just waiting for it? It looks like it wants to open to test the previous high around 680. No, good. Bro, I don't see anything else moving. Did we not get anything at 7:30? Just so it keeps stealing attention away from MBY and DEVS. I mean, I'm pretty confident DEVS is going to keep fading, but the more attention away from it, the better.
LITM. Why did this not pop up on my scanner?
Mine either. Where's it? LITM. It's not even showing in my trading view. Oh, because it's only up 8%. We set it to 15.
Oh, yeah.
This morning. You can adjust that if you want, but if you want to play 8% pops, but I don't. But yeah, adjust it down if you want to catch those.
I don't know. No, I kind of like your. Probably going to keep them where they're at.
And the way we set it up, just so y'all know, I got on a call a few minutes earlier with Steven today, so that's what we're talking about. But you know how we set the volume candle to the 1 minute candle too? You can also change it to 5 minutes too.
Yeah.
But I just like when the whole point of that scanner is when there's a parabolic move, I want to at least be one of the first to know. You know what I mean?
Absolutely.
Because if you do the 5-minute candle, it might wait for it to close first. So I'm not sure. But
yeah,
LITM is starting to go up now.
it just hit.
It's funny. It looks like it's bigger than a 11% move, doesn't it?
Yeah. What is it? Does it have news?
Let me see. LITM. No, or at least not on Stock Titan. Yeah, I'm gonna let this run a little bit before I get an entry. There it goes. $5 level. Y'all heard me say it a million times, but that's how you learn. I'm just gonna keep beating it in, y'all. $5 is a very strong psychological, perfect example right here. See, like has a hard time staying above it. So I might look for an entry here. Might wait a little bit since it has busted through to like 540, but I might miss the play, but I'm gonna wait till 5. Y'all do what y'all want.
I got out of LITM.
Oh, you were
in NBY.
Oh, okay.
Because I just didn't like the price action.
Oh, let's go DEVS. That's what I was waiting for. Something else to steal its attention. Man, I should have went heavier. But at least my first play is green. I can consistently end a day green, but for whatever reason, the first play of the day is usually not green. I don't know why. So I get excited when I get green on my first play. Still don't know if I'll be able to close it, because earlier when I was trying to take profits at 390, which hindsight, I'm glad I didn't take profit at 390, and that was mostly just to trim my share size down, because it was because the VWAP fade or the VWAP retest is a good play, but I don't like going too heavy in it just in case it wants to test highs. So I usually enter a little smaller with those. But when I tried to close earlier, it wouldn't let me close the position. It's probably because all the chaos, certain brokers are having it, some aren't, but I'm up about 400 on it. So I'll be looking to trim whenever it gets probably to where this candle wick down to, probably about 320. Oh, let me close. I just tested out 100 shares at 335, so let me close it. So I don't know. I don't know what that was about earlier. Oh, BTAI did it unhalt? That's not even my top gainers anymore. Did it flush? Let's see. BTAI. Did it flush? Man, what a beautiful move. Saber, you called this. You got that crystal ball sometimes, bro. Said you were waiting. It doesn't get much better than this. A flush to $7, and then it goes under. Then it goes to what, $5? Jeez, that's a $2 flush almost. At least the bottom of the wick.
Oh wow.
Oh, you're waiting for 8? You know, that's a crazy. Just look at the range on this candle. Basically $2, and for a ticker that's only trading around 5, 6, a $2 range in one candle is wild. Bart. Yeah, Bart, that makes sense. I remember looking up BTAI in the past. I haven't played it recently, I don't think, though. DEVS sure is boring, but it's banking on it. I would like to see another pop, though. That's the only ticker I've played. Were there any good 4 to 659 plays today? I see when I was like scanning, there looked like there was a couple. I had my alarm set to wake up at 4 today, so I wanted to play the 4 a.m. pops, but that didn't happen. LITM. Trying to recover here. Yeah, I don't see any news for it. Oh yeah, the INHD. I think Fran alerted that in the Discord. By the time I pulled it up, it was over though. LITM's flushing, it looks like. Yeah, I need to start waking up at 4 a.m. on Mondays, because Mondays when you have the most. There's so much built up
from over the weekend.
Yeah, and people pump, people pump things over the weekend, or Twitter X is talking about its stock. So right at 4 a.m., everybody's trying to get in. They usually flush. Nice. I saw your comment in Discord, Alex. That's good. That's one of the reasons I like TradeZero, because there will be errors, but they're usually pretty good about refunding you if it's on them or whatever. Or it might not even be on them. It might be just on the exchange, but I've had issues with them in the past, and they've gave me all my locate fees back for the day before, which usually ranges from like 150 to about $300-400. It's been on the lower side lately because I've been playing smaller, but I don't really know what to look at. LITM is pretty boring. BTAI, it's not really. I think if this candle right here doesn't close green, this thing is probably going to keep fading. Because that was a nasty death candle and very weak recovery. Yeah, that's a good way to look at it, Alex. Like, they're not perfect. None of these brokers are. Have you ever tried reaching out to Charles Schwab or Webull or any of them? They're trash, but they'll usually work with you when they can. I'm fighting them about something right now though too. So it's, again, I'm not gonna pretend like TradeZero is perfect, but it's definitely the better one that I've experienced with customer service. Especially when I blew up my account and I got margin called. The guy called me, he was like, I'm so sorry, bro. I was like, it's all good. I was trying to play it off like it didn't affect me that much. When deep down, I was just like a wreck, you know? I'm like, it's all good, bro. It's part of the game. And deep down, I'm dying inside. It's like, I getting a call from TradeZero. Is this my VIP? I'm like, no, you just blew up your account, bro. You owe us money.
Man.
And something else, if y'all are on TradeZero too, since we're talking about it, obviously I do have a link in the description. Y'all hear me say that all the time, but there's something else. They probably wouldn't like me saying this, but if you reach out to them, they'll give you money back on your locates too, like a % back if you trade a certain amount. And it doesn't even have to be that large of an amount, but they'll give you like back anywhere from 7.5% to 10%. Just FYI. You got to have a decent amount of volume, but it adds up. It adds up. So every locate I pay for right now, I'm getting % back credited to my account.
I think BTAI is going to tank from here. It's done for.
Hello, Joseph. Nobody called me. I just suffered in silence. That's all. I hate that happened to you, bro, but yeah. That's the only time I've gotten margin called. But it's good. I don't, you know, I see some people flex about how they've never been margin called and this and that. Like, good for you. Good for you. I have. Had a 60K account, and by the end of the day, it was 65, I think. No, it was 67, and by the end of the day, I was margin called negative 8K. Greatest learning experience of my life. Bro, all these plays are boring. I don't know what to play. See, that's what we're talking about BTAI. If you see like a crazy red death candle like that, and again, this is just things I've seen over, y'all know I'm not professionally trained in any of this, but if you see a deep red candle like this, a lot of times you'll see a nice little green recovery bounce, and that's sometimes not a bad short, but the fact that we barely even couldn't even close, I'm not surprised it flushed all the way down. We'll see what it does around the 200.
PTNM.
PTNM.
Why did mine not pop off?
Uh-oh. We'll look at your settings. Oh, this one's ripping.
What is it? PTNM?
C, yeah.
Oh,
yeah, PTNM. I wish I would have got a little bit closer to that $1.50 entry, but it only has 380,000 shares traded on it, so it's not getting a lot of attention, which is not a bad thing. They usually flush if they don't, but I'm kind of surprised. You can't get locates, Ian? Oh, you're on TradeZero, so I probably won't be able to either then. No, yeah, no shares available. Weird. Can you get them?
Yep, I'm on it.
Let me see. They have a tiny float. Is that why we're not getting them? Speaking of TradeZero, they're usually pretty good about having shares. 3 million share floats are not too bad, not too small. There should be some available.
Oh, it just popped. I show it. It just gave me a whole bunch of like other shit though that I didn't ask for.
That's weird. But I wanted to see it. I wouldn't enter until about 140 anyways. but there's probably a good entry somewhere right here. But I will not.
What, in the 140s?
Well, that's just me, bro. You know, I like to hit the top. I know you can trade them in the middle and you ride the flush down, but I was saying I would be playing it right here anyways. So it's not a big deal that I can't get the locates. It is flushing. Whew.
Yes, it is.
Are you on short? I'm always on short. You can assume that. And if I'm going long, I'll let y'all know, the rare occasion.
I'm still in BTAI.
Is it flushing?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought it would.
I'm up about 300 on it.
Let's go. DEVS is still flushing. I wish I'd have went heavier on this one. If I'd known that it was just pumping because of NASDAQ, potentially staying listed, I probably would have. So I'm trimming some here at 321. Then I'm gonna let the other 400 just fall a little bit more to the monthly pivot or something. How'd you do on PTM?
I'm still in it. A minute still, I think 300 shares. Yeah. So I'm gonna trim another 100, but I don't want to, because I feel like it's gonna flush. Still more. Yep, there it goes. And I'm out.
Let's go. Nice play, bro.
Thank you. BTAI, LITM. LITM, I think I'm going to get out of it because it's just slow moving.
Ian, I haven't seen you very active lately in the Discord. Miss you, bro.
I miss you, dog.
Happy to see you're still trading, though. Being awkward telling Ian I miss him. We'll see what he says back. We got to talk about our monthly call, our end of month recap call. I just realized it's the end of the month, so it should be this weekend. Yeah, so Saturday or Sunday. I need to set up another poll in Discord so people can vote on it like I did in Circle. Yeah, no, things have been a little chaotic last week or so. Still following the live streams, but haven't been able to trade. Got it. No, you good, bro. I was just my initial core OGs. I just like to keep track of what y'all up to. Good. Appreciate it, yeah. Just checking on you, bro. Yeah, life's been pretty crazy for me too lately. Haven't been prioritizing trading as much as I wanted.
Oh my god, LITM is tanking now. Motherfucker, dude.
You're good, bro.
It's crazy. I'm still in BTAI though, like heavy.
I haven't even got that one pulled up. Let me see. MBY, yeah, this is why I avoided this one. This one, I don't have any plans on trading unless later there's a lot of weakness. BTAI. Oh, it already made it to the pivot. It'll bounce. Oh, yeah, it's bouncing off of it. You still in it?
BTAI?
Yeah.
Yeah.
With the pivot being at $5 and that being a psychological level, I would have closed there. I don't think it goes under 5. Decisively. Maybe it will, but the pivot and the psychological levels there. Bro, you playing them all. Good job.
Thank you.
I still only play DEVS, but it's been clean. Pull it up or look at the live. Ever since I entered it, it's been a red 5-minute candle every single candle. This has been probably the least stressful trade I've taken all week. No fake outs, nothing. Yeah.
Oh wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 red candles.
They're 5 minutes too, so it's dying. But I'm glad you got some of these pops at least.
Yeah, me too. If we get back down to the 5 level, I'm probably going to trim.
Speaking of Ian's comment, the community is awesome. So the Discord is live. Just for y'all that were on the wait list, I did send out an email. I'll probably send up a follow-up one at the end of the week. But Discord is live now. It's on WAP. Or that's the payment portal. Still getting used to Discord though. I like it. I like how clean Circle was, but Discord is better. And they have a lot more integrations. I haven't really explored them yet. I'm not trying to be that You know how you're in some of these like Discords and they have like all these crazy rooms with integrations and I'm trying to keep it not so chaotic. We're not finding value from a room. I'm gonna probably just delete it. I know some of y'all have been in some of these Discords. Let me see if I can pull some up. I'm not in many now, but where it's just like there's like 1,000 rooms. I think that's just me liking structure and things being clean. T-Mac, that's right. I forget you're long. Good week to be a short. Yeah, especially yesterday. Everything was fading hard. T-Mac, trade both sides. If you're good at being long, why don't you just join the dark side occasionally? We'll trend a little bit more DEVS here. And then I guess keep letting some runners fade. Probably only going to keep about a couple hundred. Yeah, I'm only in 200 shares of DEVS now. Only started with 1,000. I wish I would have went heavier. Hear you clicking over there, bro. What you playing?
Oh, I'm not. Oh, I might get back into PTNM though.
PTNM. Oh, it's trying to make a bounce here.
Yes, it is. Which means that I'm going to re-enter because there's no news still.
PTNM.
I want it to touch the 40s before I enter.
It's stalling a little bit here, but that's probably smart. Oh, there it goes.
That was a really good rejection candle.
You slide in?
Yeah, I'm in it.
Same, Alex. It's weird. I'm not used to this, but we're just gonna have to watch this one.
Just trimmed about 30%, 40% of my position on BTAI. I think we're going to get back down to 5, but I don't want to risk the chance of it going back up, and I still haven't taken profits. So, oh, there it goes. Yeah, I'm going to have to look at we're going to have to go over my settings again. I might just do.
Well, just, yeah, it's going to take some tweaks. So maybe we missed something, but we'll get it figured out. Yeah. Oh, 8 o'clock. I didn't even realize it was 8. So we're going to get some news coming in.
DEVS.
There we go. Oh, no, that's the 8 o'clock fake outs. So let's let it fake us out a little bit.
DSS.
And then we'll see the ones that's actually moving. So now all the alerts should be legit now. I'm looking through the news. I'm not seeing anything super impressive right now, but let's see. Uh-oh. GRCE announces U.S. Food and Drug Administration acceptance for review of new drug application. I don't know if that'll move, but it has FDA in the title.
You said DREC?
ERCE.
It's not even showing up on my TradingView.
GRCE. But
GRCE.
What do you think I said? D?
Yeah.
Is it moving?
I'm about to look it up right now. No. It's so illiquid.
Yeah. Besides that, I don't see. That's probably one of the better news articles.
PTNM is like the runner right now. So I just added again back at the highs where I got in the original entry. So let's see. Ooh, BTAI is down back at the fucking. Gosh darn it. I'm going to trim another 100 shares off of BTAI.
Man, I wish I could slide into PTNM.
Come on, bro. Slide in, bro. I love these retest fades too.
Yeah, for sure. It's a nice setup. And we're going on our 10th red candle with DEVS.
Damn.
It just looks weird. I'm not used to seeing this.
Agree.
There we go. AGRI, I assume, is what it meant.
AGRI?
Yeah.
You getting locates?
Yeah, I'm pulling up the daily first. See what I'm looking for. Oh yeah, I'm definitely getting locates.
Let me know what you think, bro.
Yeah, this 350 level, there's a little bit of congestion, but again, I like to see them up more than this, but I'll probably play it. What's the news on this thing? AGRI.
Where's the pivot on the daily?
I'll look in a second. Trying to find the news. Oh, they just expanded their mining footprint to 3 sites. That's weak news.
Mm.
DEVS.
They're making a... No, don't know what that was about.
PTMN is running.
Ready to get the flush on AGRI here. I think at least. Putting up a pretty good fight though.
You said you ready to get the flush on AGRI?
Well, it did flush down to like 320 or something, and I closed some of my... Actually, I'm completely out of it. I thought I was in more shares than I was, so I closed my whole position around the 320s, but I'm content with it. I got in the 345, I think, closed 320. I'll take it. 322, I think. Because again, it's just not up that much, so. I'm glad I closed it now, just re-entered. Got back in at 345. Let me pull it up on AskEdgar now. Now that it's holding its gain somewhat, let's see. Let's learn about this company. What's going on with it? Oh, it's got a small float though. 1.3 million float. Overall offering risk medium, but their cash need is urgent. They have negative cash flow, right? Or they have negative 0.8 months of cash flow. Their offering availability is low though, so I don't know what their plan is, but fundamentally not that great of a company. And how are they getting these 3 sites if they don't have any money? has signed a definite agreement with Blue Flare Energy Solutions. Okay, there is a collab, for lack of better words. Partnership is probably the better word. Requires immediate commitment fee of US dollars 415,000, 90 to 120 days deployment timeline. Mining output heavily dependent on network difficulty and Bitcoin price. Post-halving production estimate shows relatively modest Bitcoin generation. So they're going to need a commitment fee of 415,000. How do they plan on raising that? Yeah, I'll keep playing this one. I'm not that impressed with the news.
Does PTNM have news right now, or is it? What is it doing?
I don't think it has news. Not even pulling it up. I can't even play it. Uh-oh. AGRI broke a new high.
Yeah, I saw that.
Bro, and then I followed my rules, didn't trade any of those other weak 19-20% pops that y'all are playing. And then the one I do, this one's probably gonna rip to 50% plus.
What's it at right now? And what's it? We're kind of at a daily resistance. So
Yeah. Added a little bit more here.
On AGRI.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna wait for some real weakness. PTNM is fading.
Nice.
AGRI looks really good right here.
Yeah. Showing a little bit of weakness now.
So I just got in at the top. I'm only in like 500 shares, but
My average is 362 now.
There we go.
Yeah, I'm out. I don't want to play it anymore. Got out at 352. Had an order waiting. Probably flushes here, but I don't like that it's only up this much. So
I just trimmed about half of my position. Bro, PT and M is tanking, bro.
I hear you.
Excuse me.
AZTR. CJ posted that one. I don't know how long ago.
AZTR.
There we go. Oh, let's go. This is the play I want. There we go. 78%. These are the ones I talk about, guys. These are the ones I wait for.
What is it? AZTR?
Hmm.
I'm about to get located.
Okay, I'm in it. Now let's see what the year to date looks like. Oh yeah, there's all kind of resistance right here. I'm adding more shares. Locates are getting pricey. Previous pop to this level fell. There's a monthly pivot right here. There's a SMA. I think that's the 50. Yeah, let's go. So I'm in 2,000 shares, average $1.33. Isn't that big, but a little bit bigger than I've been playing. What's the news with this one? Oh, AZTR is a pretty trashy looking company. No cash.
So I want us to touch this 140. And then once we touch 140, I'm going to get in again.
Announce first patient dose in phase 1/2 trial. I mean, that's not even results. It's just the first dose. Like, that's some weak news. Congrats. So I re-entered at $1.35 and it's paying off now. So let's see. Would like to see a little bit more intense flush here, but I'm playing the trim game from 135 to like the 125 range, but I'm holding on to 1,000 for a flush.
This looks really good, bro. Here we go. We break VWAP right here.
What are you talking about? On AZTR?
Yeah.
Trim some more at 125.
I'm about to trim 500 shares.
Added to AGRI, it's going to get its attention. I mean, it's obviously getting its attention stolen from it. So I want to see if it fades. I'm going to have a tight stop, though. If it holds over 345, I'm going to get out.
There goes AZTR just broke VWAP.
Yeah, I'm still in 500, just riding them out.
Come on. There we go. No, come on. AGRI is doing a VWAP retest.
Status some more at 349.
PT AZTR is spiking up.
Oh, that was a nice ad at 349. Easy. Oh, I should have re-entered there.
Yeah, I just added. Is it gonna break?
I was late to the ad, so I'm gonna hold off on the ad for now. There we go. Couldn't hold. Looks like it's struggling to hold.
Yep.
See what the 1 minute looks like.
One minute looks good, bro.
Yeah, it does.
I'm still in PTNM. I'm still in AGRI. It was a good ad at VWAP.
Yeah, I got some at 340, 345, and 349. So I'm in 1,500 shares now.
Good. I'm only in 800 shares. I've been trimming in and out.
Here it is. This is what I was waiting for. Let's go. This is it. Man, that was a nice flush. I made $400 on that flush. Jeez. Let's go.
So everything is failing right now. AZTR is about to break VWAP. It looks good. It's not holding highs. AGRI just flushed down. I think we're going to touch these lows and then we're going to continue to fade because we can't stay over VWAP. And PTNM is slowly but surely grinding down. I think we're going to break these lows in the 130 area, 131, and then it'll probably be a solid flush down. There's no reason why it should at least go back to stay above VWAP. So it looks like we're pretty good for right now. Oh, AZTR again, not being annoying.
Yeah, I'm not playing AZTR right now. It's getting the money flow. It's getting the volume. I'm not looking for a re-entry yet. And when I say that, guys, that doesn't mean I don't think it'll flush. It still could easily flush, but I'm trying to focus more attention on the other plays now. That's getting the attention pulled from it. That's why I decided, y'all know I like my 50% rule, but this was only up 22%. Saw it struggling at VWAP. Had a feeling it would get the attention pulled away from it, and it flushed nicely. Yeah, exchange. You're probably right. It could be Ross. Ross and the crew. Alex, yeah. Were you in ATRI too still?
Me?
I was talking to Alex.
Oh, my bad.
Are you still in AZTR though?
Yes. But I'm about to get out, probably.
I mean, if you pull up the daily, we're about to run into
I know.
a decent resistance in this area. So I'm not in it, nor do I plan on it. But if I was in it, I would probably at least wait to see if it can hold over 150 at this point. Sitting at 1200 on the morning. I only played 3 plays.
Shit, bro.
I'm feeling good. Batting 100% today. Like I said, I usually start, shouldn't say usually, but it seems like often my first play has been red. That's annoying. I hate starting red. Where are you from? The Panhandle. So like this, a place you never heard of, Sneads, Florida. I grew up on a farm, and 30 minutes from Georgia, 30 minutes from Alabama. So hillbilly area. And I say that respectfully. I actually like the Panhandle. I live in Sarasota now, and thought I wanted that life, and I like it here, but kind of miss the Panhandle too. But I've been here like 10 years now, I think. Crazy. But I just bought a property in the Panhandle, or Santa Rosa Beach. So I've been visiting it a lot. Mark, yo, you in Sarasota? Let's go. Oh, I love Canada. I've only been a couple times, but I like me some Canada. Everybody's so much nicer there. Everybody's, at least when I was there, everybody was nice. Now they might hate us because of our current administration, but I still like Canada. Downtown, I live downtown too, Mark. That's wild, bro. Yeah, maybe we need to. I'm not the most social guy, but that's cool though. Maybe we can. Are you? I'm in the. Well, I don't want to give too much information, but if you're in, if you're on Instagram, hit me, throw me a message or something. I don't want to give out too many details on live, but yeah, no, I like downtown Sarasota. It's cool. How long you been here, Mark? No, that's fair. That's fair. I'm gonna get back into AGRI here, or start scaling in, not going heavy. But this seems like a pretty good VWAP opportunity, and I missed it. But that's all right. If it gets back up to like 344, 343, I think it's a good test. Nice. That's cool, bro. There's not a lot of, I don't see a lot of like Sarasota natives. As you're well aware, most people move here from like Chicago, Michigan, Ohio. I hear it all. California. Ian entered AGRI at 339 with VWAP retest. Oh, nice job, bro. That's what I was trying to get in. I have me a sitting order now at 343. But again, I'm playing a little, probably going to go back to a little bit more risk off because I'm sitting over $1,000 and I'm not going to force too much. So I'll enter at AGRI on VWAP retest, but probably only 1,000 shares. Nothing crazy. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 red candles in a row on DEVS. That's wild.
Really?
So I entered here at the VWAP. I'm already out though. I got out at all my position at 3. I should have held some. But that's,
I'll be right back, bro.
Yeah, you're good. That's a wild downtrend. You just don't usually see that many red candles in a row. It's like the least stressful trade I think I've ever taken. No fake outs. So I'm not talking much about ZTR is because it's starting to look like the runner on the day. It still could flush. And like I told Steven earlier, I would wait to see if it breaks $1.50 before he bails. Looks like it might reject there, or at least
it literally tapped $1.50 and then it's fading now.
Right.
So.
Yeah. So maybe a retest at $1.50 I'll be interested, but right now I'm just gonna sit on the sidelines with it.
Dude, I scaled into that thing from like 120.
Are you out now?
No.
What's your average? If you don't mind.
135.
Well, that's not bad. That's not bad.
No, it wasn't too bad.
Are you still heavy? Are you still pretty heavy in
it? 3,000 shares.
Might be a good spot to what?
No, I'm trimming right now.
Yeah, I don't want to give you advice.
I'm not like no, you're good. You're good. You're not giving me advice, bro. I value your opinion. But no, I'm gonna trim just to get my red down a little because I know my average
Beautiful.
my average is still too low. So yeah. I'm kind of just like I'm trying to get some shares. So I'm down again. That's fine.
But at least you trimmed a little bit.
No, for sure.
It's probably going to pop here. I'm going to be honest. You know that too.
Yeah, I think it's going to pop.
It might flush here, though.
Are we breaking VWAP? We broke VWAP. Uh-oh.
Yeah, my guess we get a pop here, but dude, things have been flushing like crazy lately, last 2 days. So who knows? Ian, good job on that retest, bro.
Did he retest on AGRI?
Mm-hmm.
Me too.
Bro, how'd y'all both get it? Y'all need it. Steven, you need to tell me when you're entering these spoons.
Sorry.
I was just late to it.
AZTR?
Oh yeah, it might fade here, bro. Let's see. If this candle closes below VWAP for the next 35 seconds, I think there's a good chance it keeps flushing. Ian, Justin, when you are trading using mobile, do you watch the charts on TradeZero, or do you jump back and forth between TradingView and TradeZero? So, like I said, I do the TradingView live streaming for you guys. Like I've made my entire career just trading off my phone. So if it's just if I'm not live streaming, I'm just looking at my phone. I never pull up TradingView. That's why when I first started doing these live streams, y'all probably like, this dude has no idea how to operate TradingView, because I never used it. I just always traded on my phone on the TradeZero chart. Finally getting used to TradeZero now, or TradingView. But yeah, long story short, Ian, I don't, if I'm not live streaming, I'm not looking at a computer, period, much less TradingView. Occasionally, if I want a little more granular like detail, I'll pull it up on mobile, because obviously TradingView has a good mobile app too, but I would say 80% of the time I'm looking at charts on the TradeZero charts. But again, to each their own. It's just what I'm used to. TradingView's charts are way better, you know, more indicators, more options, but I'm just used to just trading what's in front of me on the mobile app. That's all I need. Like when I'm traveling, that's all I'm looking at. It's my app.
AGRI looks really good.
Yeah, I wish I would have caught that VWAP retest.
I'm gonna stay in it because I'm pretty sure it's gonna fade. AZTR is popping back up. Justin, you might want to get ready.
I love it. You let me know this time.
Yeah, after last time I couldn't.
I'm gonna play it light though, because it is after 8:30 now. So this is looking like it could be the potential runner on the day. But I'm gonna try to jump in a little at 149 if it gets there. INHD. I see your comment, Ian. This is the one that I banked on yesterday. Play of the day. It's probably play of the week.
Did you get an AZTR?
Yeah. I'm only in, like I said, when I say light, I'm very light, like 500 shares. I'm not even in $1,000 position. But yeah, INHD, gosh, I think was stressing me out Monday, but that flush was nice. Still early, but nothing looking good long.
No.
BG. When would you be interested in AZTR? Breaks a new high, comes back to VWAP. Breaks a new high and holds. Just curious what you're looking for. But I believe you, because there's nothing I would trade long right now. But I wonder if AZTR takes off eventually.
I don't know. It's still respecting that 150.
Oh no, yeah, I am happy with my 149 entry. I should have at least 1,000 shares, but it's all good.
FLNT.
BG, all good. I was just curious your thoughts on it because I know you're a long trader. Oh, what's up?
FLNT.
FL. This is Fluent. This is I didn't even know they could trade. What do they trade? Is this NAS? This is a competitor of mine.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Fucking get their ass, boy.
Well, let me see. Maybe this is a different company. No, it just has the same name and almost an identical logo. That's weird. Super weird. I was about to say, like, these stocks aren't allowed to trade on NASDAQ currently. Cannabis stocks or whatever. Got it, BG. That makes sense. Getting locates on FLNT. Again, I like to see them up a little bit more than this, but beggars can't be choosers. So let me see. What's the news? The news isn't too bad, honestly. They announced 2 major strategic initiatives to enhance its data intelligence capabilities. So, yeah, I'm gonna wait to this one.
There's resistance at 305, just so FYI.
Oh, good, thank you. Oh, sure, nice.
There's the rotation of money. AZTR is fading now.
I know. That's why I was like, man, I should have went a little heavier with it. That's all good. I'm in at 3.
Ooh, I beat you today.
Where are you at?
304.
Look at you.
Uh-oh.
I don't like that it's breaking though, but it flushed down immediately. But if it starts to hold over that level, I'm gonna dip. Because the news is decent, bro. I'll be honest with you. It looks pretty decent.
Okay.
There we go. There we go. I'm trimming some here because actually my average was 303. You still beat me though. Still got me. So yeah, I'm gonna wait, but I just went ahead and trimmed it down a little bit just in case I have to cut. But it's looking good though. I mean, I think it's a good chance it still fails here.
AZTR looks like it's headed down too.
So strategic partnership with Databricks, enhanced data intelligence capabilities, significant expansion. There's some strong keywords in this PR. Again, it might be fluff, but I could see why it's popping right now. FLNT overall is cash position. Oh, they're cash flow positive. I hate shorting cash flow positive companies. Jesus. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna get out of this one.
Me too. Yeah, it just like totally broke through those highs. It went right back down though.
Yeah, no, it could flush. I'm just, again, I have picky criteria with these, but a cash flow positive. What's the
Like that is not what I want.
No. I want them struggling for cash, doing sketchy things to get it.
You want to make $10? No.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, bro. It's like $20, $20.
Yeah, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Oh man, I guess flushing. But yeah, no. Like I said, this is a strong support level. It's showing it. But again, I'm not shorting a cash flow positive company with good news right now. I'm kind of tempted at. I don't know. I'm kind of tempted with AZTR, but if a 5-minute candle closes below VWAP, I might add to my position. But let's see.
VRX,
especially if FLNT holds over that level, the 305 level.
Yeah,
but it's looking pretty good. It's struggling to hold over it.
Yeah, I just got out because I can't manage the position. I'll be right back. I gotta go do something real quick.
Sounds good. You feeling bullish or bearish on NVIDIA earnings? Haven't been keeping up with it too much, bro, but they have a history of exceeding expectations, so not sure. Oh, Focus, I didn't even realize it had 30% institutional ownership. Yeah, cash flow positive, institutional ownership, decent news. That makes sense, BG. Covered ATR at 315. Oh my gosh, look at this flush. Man. All good. But I still think it was a good judgment call. I don't need to be shorting cash flow positive companies with good news. It's not a habit I want to create. So ATR, where's it doing? Or what is it doing? Bro, no, you held from, if you got in at the VWAP retest and got out at 315, good job, Ian. That's a nice play. Very nice. Yeah, maybe you could have held maybe another 10, 15, 20 cents, but there's a good chance it could bounce too. So I don't blame you for covering. So I'm not in any positions right now. I covered AZTR a little bit earlier. I didn't make much on it, but I still think there's a chance this could be the runner on the day. What scanner are you using? I use Trade Ideas. So when I have linked in my description, yeah, it's a little pricey, but I like it. It's the ones that you hear, like the voice that you hear in the background when something pumps. And I have my settings saved. So if you ever get it, or if you're in the group Discord or shoot me a message, I can send you my settings. You can like save the file and you can just upload it. But it's mostly just my parabolics moves. I have it set for like in 1 minute candle. If there's a crazy amount of volume in a 1 minute candle, it notifies me. Because most scanners, you just have to change it by based on percent gains. And that's not necessarily what I'm looking for. When I short parabolic moves, I want to see just a crazy intense, like 50, 70, 100% move in like a 1 minute candle or 2 minutes worth of candles. So that's how I have it set. But I also have I know the Discord is well aware of it because the last few days, that's about the only thing I posted. I have another one set that if anything gets within 2% of the daily 200 SMA, I get a notification because they have been failing the SMA 200 on the daily like crazy this past week or so. I've had a lot of them fail when they get there. Like here was, I can't remember the other alerts, but like even BATL was like a good one. So this is why I really like that scanner, is because it's kind of like a little cheat code. Because like look at this play right here. I sent out an alert for this. I think it was Monday, but on the daily, if you look at the daily, the 200 was right at, obviously it was a few days ago, so now it's a little bit lower, but it was at 190. So I drew a level there, sent out the alert. And a lot of times if they have to make a drastic like move up in 1 or 2 candles like this did, they usually struggle to hold over it and they just fail. So long story short, that's one of my playbooks that I have in my Discord or whatever that I use. But yeah, I do like the Trade Idea scanner for those two, because I'm not looking at charts of every ticker all day long. So I don't get a lot of these notifications during the day. Sometimes only 1 or 2. Sometimes I'll get up to like 10 plus, but it's usually more in like the 4 or 5 a day. Yeah, to me too, Alex. That's why I'm out of this position. I think this is going to be the runner on the day. Again, it could flush, but I think the news is really not that great either. It's just the one where they dose new patients for phase 1. Like that's worse than phase 1 news. They haven't even completed phase 1. I think they're just dosing patients, but whatever. It doesn't have to make sense to me. The news is weak, but I still think it could run. But let's see. These last 2 candles look a little bearish, but I'm not going to be confident in this thing flushing until it holds under VWAP. It has clearly been unable to do that. Isn't like this technically considered a bullish candle though? I forget. Because again, like I said, I'm not trained. I just trade like the, what's it called? Inverse hammer or whatever. Yeah, a bullish reversal candlestick. Yeah. So, but to me, it is struggling to do much, honestly. But like I said, I'm not in any positions. Sitting about 1,300 on the morning. I'm pretty content with that, to be honest. Because I'm trying to coast until the end of this month. BG, did you buy any locates today? Yeah. Have locates for FLNT, AGRI, DEVS, and AZTR. So not many, but the 4 plays I played. I already sold my locates back for AZTR though. I paid 18.10 for them, and TradeZero gave me $8.70 back, so not bad. Like I said, TradeZero most of the time they'll just give you a lot less than you paid, but I'm trying to get in a groove of, if I don't plan on playing a stock again, to sell them back, because I don't think I'm gonna play AZTR anymore, because like I said, I've been pretty accurate with picking which ones are the runner on the day. So let's see if this trend continues, but I think it could be AZTR unless we get some crazy 9 o'clock pop. FLNT, JT. FLNT. It's coming back for more. I'm going to avoid this one since it's cash flow positive. I think that's a very strong resistance. It's acknowledged it, failed to hold over it. So I do agree that this is probably a good entry. If I was like down on the day and I'm trying to recoup and a little more high risk, like maybe take it. But right now I got a little bit of a cushion, so I'm just not going to push it with this one. Do you ever turn a profit on locates? No, not really. Like occasionally I'll make more than it is tempting, guys, because it could be a tight risk versus reward. So I could enter here at 3. So like, especially right here. So enter, the risk could only be 5 cents. The reward is much more. So a $3.05 entry is not a bad idea, but I don't like shorting cash flow positive companies. I like shorting trash. But it's probably going to flush here if I'm being honest. I'm in it. Jesus Christ, I have no self-control. I'm in it. So 305. But I mean, if it breaks, if the candle breaks a new high, I am out. Not even discussing it. I don't care if it closes. I don't care any of that. If I see a wick above it, I'm out. Trimming some here. I'm only in 500 shares now. And you know what? I'm done. I trimmed it. I made another $100 on it. So that's good enough for me. 305 to 295. So made another little $100, but again, I'm batting pretty accurate today. I don't want to change that. So anyways, do you ever, but no, thanks for the heads up, JT, because this is a good setup. And I probably jumped out too quick, but I just don't usually short cash flow positive companies. Do you ever turn profits on Loki? I think I already answered that. No, not really. Occasionally I will, but most of the time I get less back than I purchase them from. But I'm just happy TradeZero offers getting your money back. So yeah, I actually do have a video on how to configure the scanner. I think, actually, I don't know if I do. I have a video about the scanner in my videos, but I'm not sure. That's a good question. But, like I was saying, you can shoot me a message on Instagram, or if you're in the group, join the Discord, whatever, shoot me a comment. I will send you my settings. Like, I'm fine with doing that. But I do not have a video on it. But I should, because earlier this morning I was having to help Steven set his up. So that's the only downside to Trade Ideas. It's a little probably overwhelming at first, but no, I don't have a video about it, but I can I'll add that to the list. I want to make a video about TradeZero anyways, so I should just make a quick little video how I set it up. But yeah, if you're interested in the 200 test or the parabolic scanner, either one of those, I'll share it. You can just download the file and then you have it. FLNT has a nasty daily candle on 724. Yeah, that's the thing. Somebody brought that up earlier, that it has a history of giving it all back. Yeah, that was. Probably should have held on to FLNT, but like I said, oh, AZTR finally buckling. So who's going to be the runner on the day then? Nah, there's still a chance this recovers. I'm not saying it's over, but it did finally break below VWAP pretty decisively. Oh my gosh, AGRI. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. MBY2. Let's see. Oh, got another. Dang, this thing's ran all the way up to 180. I haven't been paying attention to it. Jeez. Yeah, NBY will probably be the runner of the day, actually. I totally forgot about that one. Oh, is that, Joseph, is that one of the prop firm's requirement? You got to get 10 cents for it to count. Crazy, because does make it a little bit more difficult. I take a lot of break-even trades. That's why I don't like looking at my like average win amount and average loss amount, because if I don't like the setup, I'll get out plus $10, negative $10, negative $30. Whenever my thesis changes on it, I'll just get out. Or if it could be break even exactly $0. That and 30-second hold time. Wow. Makes it even impressive to run your own. And then you say you're on a 7-day win streak, bro? It's crazy impressive. It's SKB. Oh, SKBL. SKBL. Wow, that was a nice pump. Somebody asked me about a max loss. Do you have a broker max loss? I do not.
RMTI.
I think you should, but I don't.
Okay, I'm back.
I don't know why we got an alert for RMTI. Oh, maybe that's a 200 daily retest or daily test. Yeah, it is. So there must be.
What is it?
The 200 on RMTI. There it is, right here. So it's at 153. The ticker is at 149. It's coming up to $1.50. I wouldn't say $1.50 is as strong of a psychological level as like $1, $2, $5, but it's still one that you have to be aware of. So probably not a bad play, but I'm gonna let it get a little bit higher because we can clearly see, you know, it's made a high, and this is again another 200 play because it couldn't hold over the 200 here.
RMTI.
Lower high. So I might actually play this one. This one's going to be a slow mover, just FYI. It's not like this is going to be like a quick flush because there's just not a lot of liquidity in it.
Are you in it?
Yeah, 151. You know, I love these 200s. The 200 SMA test, one of my favorite plays. But again, like I said, it's not like, it's probably just going to slowly drop. This isn't going to be like a crazy, fun, exciting, adrenaline rushing play. It's just probably going to slowly fade back down to probably around $1.36. It flushed quick though, bro. See this candle? That's crazy.
Yeah.
But I gotta show you how to set up that scanner too, bro.
The 200?
Yeah. Because that thing is money sometimes. Did you see what happened with AZTR?
Yeah, and I got out of it because I didn't want it to go against me, so I got out of it right before it flushed because I didn't want to not be at my computer and it go crazy. So yeah, I'm pretty disappointed about that, but
Thanks.
yeah, I mean it is what it is, I guess.
I don't plan on live streaming until after 9:30 or market open. I'll probably live stream for another 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes, but because I got some things to do right after this live stream.
Okay.
So I'm not gonna trade market open. Now that I'm in this new role, I got to send out like the retail sales numbers every morning before 10 o'clock. And I am sad about it. Need to figure out how I can get AI to or API something, or get some automation where it sends it out by itself. But until then, I have to manually do it. So
what was that? DEBS?
What are you talking about?
I just heard an alert. What was that? Oh, was that on mine? Oh, devs. It was devs.
Yeah, I didn't.
I
do
missed
anything.
MBRX too. I literally, I don't even want to talk about it, dude. It kind of pissed me off, but whatever.
You're having a pretty good day, though, aren't you?
No.
Oh, you're not?
No. No.
Hey,
I've been.
hold on a second. I got my head IT lady calling me, so I'm about to mute.
Bro. Okay.
Yo, what's up?
You good?
Yo, Steven, you still on?
Yeah, I'm still on.
Oh, you got muted too?
No, I muted myself because my son was being loud.
Oh, okay. Because Alexandru said that. Oh man, yeah, it's never a good sign when the head IT lady calls you before we open for the day, start working for the day. But all good, we'll figure it out. One of our servers went down in one of our locations. But anyways, so like I was saying, I'm not in any positions right now, or I don't think I am. Let me check, make sure I didn't have any standing orders that got filled. Yeah, no, I'm not in anything right now, nor do I plan on trading anything else right now. Nothing really. Oh, DVS, this little retest. I might actually play this. I don't like that it's right before market hours, but I'm gonna get a little size on it, or I mean a small size on it. Entered 500 shares just to see if it keeps fading. I mean, it's already failed VWAP once. There's no indication for me to believe that it's going to bust through here right now. And I'm already up on it. So yeah, I'm gonna just play this, let it fade, see if it goes, probably take some profit around 280 or wait for the daily.
Damn, AZTR went against me. Yeah, I started out having a great morning, bro, but I couldn't manage my positions. I had too much going on in the background, dude. And I mean, you can hear my son is fucking going crazy right now. So, and yeah, so it is what it is. It's part of the game. Whatever.
Well, hate to hear that, but you'll bounce back today. You got the whole day to reel it in. Are you gonna trade intraday?
Maybe, I don't know.
If you see the right setup.
Yeah, I'm not. It's not gonna be like a. I'm not gonna force anything because I feel like when I try to play catch up, I end up fucking myself. So.
Yeah, totally get it. Well, I'm probably gonna wrap up, guys. Like I said, I got a busy morning, especially after that most recent call. So I got to knock out some things for my W2. But on that note, thank y'all for hopping on. And like I said, Discord is live. If you're not in, highly recommend it. And I will be back tomorrow. See y'all then.
See you later, bro.